In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start the lecture of Introduction to Trigonometry, class 10th, unit number 7. In this lecture we will discuss the parts of the circle. This is a circle and this is known as a boundary of the circle. Its other name is circumference. Now O is the center point. Now you have to draw a line from center point O to its circumference. Now its name is OA. OA is known as a radius. So this is a radius. Now next is, this is a circle, and if you will draw a line which passes through the center of the circle, then like this. Now AB is the line which passes through center point O, so that is known as a diameter. Diameter is the double of radius. Now this is a circle and center point is O. If you can take one point at the boundary of the circle like this, named as A point. Now you have to draw a perpendicular which passes through A point like this. Now its name is BC. Now BC is a perpendicular on point A. So this is the tangent at point A. Tangent becomes only at one point of the circle. Now you want to discuss here second. If you will draw a line which passes through two distinct points like this. Now its name is D and E. So this is a secant. Its name is secant and its name is tangent. Now next one we will discuss an arc. Now if you will take this part A to B. Now this small part of the circle is known as an arc. So its proper definition will be a part of the circumference of a circle is called an arc. Now arc divided into two parts, major arc and minor arc. So small portion A to B is known as a minor arc and rest of the boundary or circumference of the circle is known as major arc. Now next we will discuss the segment. Now O is the center point. You will draw a chord or line which you will draw on the circle, not passes through the center of the point. Now named as A and B. This portion is known as an arc and AB is a chord. So its definition is a part of the circle bounded by an arc and a chord is known as a segment of a circle. Now next one is sector. Now O is the center point and you have to draw O to A. It is the first radius. Now you have to draw the second radius from O to circumference. Its name is B. It means you have to draw here two radius, OA and OB. And AB, this portion is known as an arc. So its definition is a part of the circle bounded by two radii and an arc is known as a sector of the circle. Sector of the circle. Now I hope you have to understand the parts of the circle. Now Allah Hafiz.